I don't know what the name of this car is, but it is extremely squashed flat, and it is just a serious lowrider, not only in height from the ground, but just height from the top of the car. I mean, this is just an extremely custom Camaro, Mr. Kind of Crazy 1968 Chevrolet Camaro, and look at that thing. Look at it. Look at that. Eh? Now I got an X, guys. Are you happy? We got the Osmos, but not the Osmo, is what I've been told. And now I'm shooting with an X, uploading with T-Mobile. The MustangMedic is getting faster and faster and faster. So look for MustangMedic Ranch, and we're going to be customizing, not customizing, but rebuilding all cars at MustangMedic Ranch for charity, and you can be a part of it. It's about the people. It's not just about metal and rubber.